PokeClashBros, where today we'll be opening a pack each of Sword and Shield Vivid Voltage, and having a little competition to see who pulls the best in which pack, and hopefully we get some amazing pulls for you guys. Of course, at the end of the day, it's all for you guys, these videos, so hope you enjoy them, and hopefully we get some wicked pulls for you. Guess the energy, lightning.
Go fire.
Dark. Oh, Mighty Anna.
Kinchurch. Ladron.
Electrode. Pineco. Mudbray. Puchiana. Charmander. Reverse Hollow Explode, and a non-hollow Terrakion.
Legendary.
Yeah, he's a legendary, but non-hollow, but still pretty nice. Fire.
Leaf energy.
Electric. That's suitable for Vivid Voltage.
Dalmise. Galarian Stonefish. Aromatic Energy. Wilma. Weedle. Beldum. Funky. Duskull. First Hollow Clefairy. Non-hollow red Dreadnought.
You can get his theme deck that comes from Vivid Voltage as well, just to let some of you guys know who didn't know. And for the guys who play the online card game, use code cards. So no exciting polls today, guys, sorry about that, but tune in for next time for maybe that amazing rare Pikachu, the rainbow rare. Thanks guys for watching, and see you next time.